In this question, we are asked to find for the value of m, and I am going to take you through how to find for the value of m. These are the options given. Let's solve to see which of these options is correct. So, before we can get the value of m, if we are able to get this particular angle, you know AFC is a triangle, and here is 90 degrees. So if we are able to get this angle, then we can sum up the angles in the triangle. Then we will get m. The sum of angles in the triangle are equal to 80 degrees. But before we get this angle, BDC is another small triangle where one angle is known. This angle is not known, but this is a straight line. So it will be very easy for us to get this particular angle, because sum of angles on a straight line sum up to 180 degrees. So let's name here x. How do you get x? Sum the angles on the straight line. So I have x plus 70 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angles on a straight line gives us 180 degrees. Group like terms. We have 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. X is equal to 110 degrees. Okay, so now that we have solved, we know that this particular angle is 110 degrees. I want to use the red marker to indicate it. Yes, 110 degrees. Okay, so the smaller triangle DBC, we have gotten two angles, so the rest of the angle can be gotten by subtracting the sum of this from 180 degrees. So let's name here also y. How do you get y? Sum the angles in the smaller triangle BDC. Okay, so we have y plus 110 degrees plus 30 degrees equal to 180 degrees. The sum of angles in a triangle gives us 180 degrees. This and this will give us 140 degrees. So I have y plus 140 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Group like terms. We have y equal to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees. 180 degrees minus 140 degrees will give us 40 degrees. So y is equal to 40 degrees. Now we know that this angle is 40 degrees. Okay, so since we know that that angle is 40 degrees, and when you consider AFC is another triangle, this from here to here and to here is another triangle. We know this angle, we know this angle. We are now coming to find this angle. It's a triangle, so also sum them and equate to 180 degrees. So we are going to sum m. We are going to sum m plus 90 degrees plus 40 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees plus 40 degrees will give us 130 degrees. So I have m plus 130 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Group like terms. We have m equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. Our m is equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees will give us 50 degrees. So we have 50 degrees. Therefore, the right option is B. If you understand, kindly share for others to also learn.